Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DoorDash keep asking to verify identity. Selfie, ID upload and support fix. Fix 1 is complete the verification again. Open the DoorDash app, then follow the identity verification prompt. Take a clear selfie in a well-lit area, then upload a clear photo of your ID without glare or blur. Second one is reset the app and network. Close the DoorDash or Dasher app completely, then turn on airplane mode on your phone, then wait 10 seconds, then turn airplane mode off, open the app and try to verify again. Third one is clear app cache. Open setting, then apps, then DoorDash. Tap storage, select clear cache, then reopen the app and retry verification. Fourth one is check your personal information. Make sure your name matches your government ID issue. Verify that your date of birth and other account details are correct. Update any incorrect information. Fifth one is sign out and sign back in. Log out of your DoorDash account, then close the app completely, sign back in and check if the verification request is gone. Thanks for watching.